The Mandala Mastery course is a full-fledged pre-recorded course that you can sign up for and watch at your own learning pace and time availability. It has total 4 modules. The first module is just an introduction to mandala and the different types. It has some understanding of what are shapes, what are patterns, and the color relevances, and some introduction to how chakras work. The second module is actually the main module of pen mandala, where stationary grid mandala transitions and all relevant details are included. Third module is dot mandala, the main module, again having all details of stationery, color requirements, tools, transitions of dot mandalas, along with demo videos of what are the items you can make for mandala. In this course, I have included all tips and tricks that you require to know. All your questions before you even ask them will be answered. In the last module, it is actually an add-on module where we have given you some details on monetization also. So it is important that you begin your journey right, and once you are already in the journey, how you can make money will be something that will eventually follow. Please note that this course is not about monetization alone. Monetization is a small part of this course. The intention of this course is to assist you in the beginning of your mandala journey. I encourage you all to enroll the Mandala Mastery course by Zia Chauhan and become a part of a mandala art community where none of the questions go unanswered. We look forward to your registration. All the best. Enroll now.